Hello viewers, I am Bhagyashree Jala. Today I am going to show my art supplies. These are color papers I use for my crafts. These are glitter sheets and foam sheets. I use it for making pouches. You can see. This is in golden color. This is in sky blue, royal blue, grey. These are kite papers. They are very thin. These are sketch pens I use for a drawing. These are oil pastels. I use them for making oil pastel paintings. These are brushes. This is whitener or correction pen. These are acrylic paints. These are poster colors. This is black acrylic paint. And this is golden acrylic paint. I use it for making borders and to add some glow. These are barbecue sticks. I use them in making bird cage, as you can see. These are popsicle sticks. This is electric hot glue gun. This is hot glue stick. These are diamond stickers. These are big pearl stickers. These are small pearl stickers. These are white pearls. These are golden pearls. These are small mirrors. These are fancy punching machines. They come in various shapes. This is heart shape. This is star shape. This is butterfly shape. As you can see, these are fancy ribbons. I use them in making bows, and they give a royal look to your craft. This is transparent tape. This is glue stick. This is Fevicol. This is my favorite scissors. I use them in making fancy borders in my craft. And these all are its blades. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.